Welcome back to Garden Decor Designs, the channel dedicated to making your outdoor space a true masterpiece. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Are you tired of wheeling a rusty old grill onto the patio every time you host? Then you are in the right place. Today, we're diving into the world of garden barbecue grill areas, the ultimate upgrade for any outdoor entertainer. We've collected the top 10 best ideas to turn your garden into a stunning, functional open-air kitchen. Trust me, you're going to want to see number 7. Let's get started. A garden barbecue grill area is far more than just a spot for your barbecue. It is a dedicated outdoor culinary and entertainment zone. It transforms the simple act of grilling into a fully fledged social event. Essentially, it's an outdoor kitchen, ranging from a custom-built grill station with counter space to a comprehensive, fully equipped setup complete with refrigeration, storage, a sink, and permanent seating. The best designs seamlessly integrate cooking functionality with the natural beauty and decor of your garden, making it a true extension of your home's living space. It acts as a focal point for parties, family dinners, and simply enjoying a beautiful evening outdoors. The benefits of creating a dedicated garden barbecue grill area are numerous and significantly enhance your quality of life and property value. Firstly, it elevates your entertaining game. You'll spend less time running between the indoor kitchen and the patio, keeping you at the heart of the social action. This seamless flow between cooking and socializing makes hosting much more enjoyable and relaxed. Secondly, a well-designed outdoor kitchen dramatically increases the value and appeal of your home. It's a highly sought-after feature for modern homebuyers, often viewed as a luxurious built-in amenity. Beyond the practical and financial perks, there's the aesthetic and functional improvement. Permanent counter space means everything is organized and within reach, and a beautiful design serves as a stunning visual anchor for your entire garden or patio area. It encourages you to spend more time outdoors, enjoying fresh air and making memories with friends and family. Decorating your garden barbecue grill area to look beautiful involves blending functionality with style to create an inviting atmosphere. Start with lighting. Ambient string lights, task lighting over the grill, and subtle landscape spotlights can transform the space from drab to magical after sunset. Next, focus on the materials of the structure itself. Natural stone, sleek concrete, or rich wood immediately bring an upscale feel. Use cohesive accessories, matching dishware, high-quality stainless steel tools, and decorative storage solutions like woven baskets. Incorporate living decor by adding potted herbs near the cooking area for fresh flavor and color, or hanging planters on a nearby wall or pergola. Finally, ensure your seating and dining area are comfortable and coordinate with the grill station style, using attractive outdoor cushions and a centerpiece on the dining table to complete the polished look. And now for the inspiration you've been waiting for. Here are the top 10 best garden barbecue grill area ideas, each with its own unique flair. One, modern urban patio with integrated planter. This design features a sleek, linear look with a gas grill built into a stone and wooden structure. What makes it unique is the seamless integration of a raised wooden planter box, which brings fresh greenery right to the cooking station. The clean lines, contemporary furniture, and stylish accent wall create a chic, low-profile outdoor room, perfect for a modern, sun-drenched patio or a small city garden balcony. 2. Bright hacienda-style outdoor kitchen. A truly expansive and elegant outdoor kitchen featuring a bright, airy aesthetic. Set against a white stucco wall and a beautiful brick-paved patio, this unit includes multiple stainless steel appliances, a pizza oven arch with firewood storage, and a separate bar-height seating area with wooden stools. The overhead wooden pergola adds necessary shade and a rustic, inviting charm, perfect for large-scale entertaining. 3. Luxurious stone pillar and wood deck oasis. This design boasts a true luxury feel, anchored by stunning stacked stone pillars that frame the entire space. The grill is a premium stainless steel unit built into rich wood cabinetry with a gorgeous granite countertop. Set upon a warm wide plank wood deck, this area is fully covered, making it usable in all weather. It's a complete outdoor room, perfect for an upscale, comfortable gathering space. For cozy corner charcoal grill retreat, this setup proves that you don't need a massive built-in unit to create an inviting space. A simple yet elegant charcoal kettle grill is paired with a beautiful, intimate wooden dining set, all nestled against a classic brick wall backdrop. The lush potted greenery and the soft glow of the lantern create a perfectly cozy, low-maintenance grilling nook, ideal for smaller gardens or a romantic evening for two. It focuses on atmosphere and comfort over complexity. 5. Contemporary black blockwork with concrete tops. A striking minimalist design featuring a wall and grill station constructed from deep black, horizontal blockwork. The sleek, pale concrete countertops provide a stunning high-contrast surface for the stainless steel grill. The design is clean, architectural, and includes recessed shelving for subtle storage and decor, crowned by a large vintage-style outdoor clock that adds a charming, unexpected focal point. 6. Rustic charm with open wood shelving. An inviting symmetrical design that masterfully combines a central grill with practical wood and stone construction. The open shelving on either side is perfect for accessible storage, displaying baskets and cookware, giving it a homey, cottage feel. The copper accents and charming picket fence backdrop complete the rustic aesthetic, making it the perfect family-friendly grilling station for a classic backyard. 7. Sleek concrete and wood pizza oven hub. This sophisticated design is the ultimate Mediterranean-inspired outdoor kitchen. A powerful modern pizza oven takes center stage, built into a smooth, dark concrete base. The extensive dark wood cabinetry below offers fantastic hidden storage, while the adjacent raised planter box integrates the natural environment. This setup is ideal for a stylish deck or a modern home exterior, offering both grilling and baking capabilities. 8. The ultimate modern outdoor fireplace kitchen. Our #1 spot goes to this breathtaking high-end design. It's a complete outdoor room featuring an L-shaped layout with a built-in modern fireplace as the dramatic centerpiece. The sleek, dark gray cabinets, stone countertops, and integrated mini-fridge create a polished, contemporary look. Abundant firewood storage adds texture, and the full overhead glass and steel covering ensures this luxury kitchen is functional year-round, making it the definition of an outdoor haven. 9. Rooftop entertainer with green egg and pizza oven. Taking outdoor cooking to the next level. This setup is designed for maximum function in a stylish elevated space. It features 2 popular cooking units, a big green egg smoker and a pizza oven, integrated into a pristine white and black countertop unit. The warm wooden pergola overhead provides a beautiful frame, and the built-in storage for firewood adds a rustic, functional touch to the sleek, modern design. 10. The flexible, freestanding grill station. This is a brilliant idea for those who want a custom look without the permanence. Featuring mobile units, a large flat-top griddle and a kettle smoker, set into a modular wooden and stone block structure. The open design allows for easy access, and the bold Kingsford charcoal bags are both practical storage and a rustic decor element. This design offers immense flexibility and is perfect for a gravel or dirt backyard where a full patio installation isn't feasible. Wow, what a collection of stunning designs! Whether you gravitate towards the sleek minimalism of the modern concrete kitchen or the warm, earthy tones of a rustic wood and stone build, the common thread is the dedication to creating a truly beautiful and functional space. Designing your garden barbecue grill area is an investment in your home, your happiness, and countless future gatherings under the sky. Take inspiration from these top 10 ideas and tailor the materials, appliances, and decor to perfectly suit your personal style and the unique character of your garden. Which one of these incredible outdoor kitchens is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you're ready to start building your dream outdoor space, don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe to Garden Decor Designs for more luxury garden inspiration, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our next video. We'll see you in the next garden transformation. Happy grilling!